Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is swallowing and peristalsis. Let us first talk about swallowing. So what exactly is swallowing? In medical terms or biology terms, swallowing is also known as deglutition. This is a process which occurs to push or to move the bolus from the oral cavity into the stomach through the pharynx and the esophagus. I repeat again, this process occurs to push the bolus from the oral cavity, that is from your mouth, into the stomach, passing through the pharynx and then the esophagus. Students, deglutition or swallowing is under nervous control of the medulla oblongata and the lower pons varolii. Moving on, now let us study the steps involved in swallowing. See students, the moment you eat something, we first start chewing it. After we are done chewing it, we voluntarily swallow it. So, the first stage of swallowing is the voluntary stage. Here, if you think about it, what happens is there is the use of the tongue. The tongue, after the food is chewed up, it moves upward and back, pushing this bolus of food into the pharynx. Now students, take a look at this diagram. Now notice that here the bolus of food which is given in green is still in the oral cavity. Now eventually it has to go into the pharynx and then into the esophagus. Now here if you see, the esophagus is the one which is behind the windpipe. Always remember students, the windpipe is in front and the esophagus is behind it. Now we do not want the food to enter the windpipe. So we are going to see what all changes occur during the swallowing of food. And we will compare this diagram with the diagram which is coming up next. So coming back, as I just mentioned, the tongue moves up and back, pushing the food into the pharynx. Students, this way the bolus is passed from the oral cavity into the pharynx.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.